Today, we're gonna have a belching contest. Belching contest. Belching contest.
I'm the ref.
Okay. First, I want to drink some of this. Okay.
Okay,
let's see. Wait, chug. Wait.
Start chugging.
Let's see if it's level. Wait.
And I'm up here.
Ethan, you're not the ref. It's just the same. It's just the same. Okay. Here we go. Okay. First one is chug. Okay, two races. One, this is the chug, and then second, we're gonna see who has the best belching contest.
3, 2, 1. And I'm up here. Stop. Chug. You have 60 seconds to drink as much as you can.
Done.
60 seconds.
Same right there. Ethan, you're not the ref, man.
Yes, I am. It's my
computer.
My hat.
Now, we're going to see who can make the biggest burp, which it is called. Right there.
Belching.
She doesn't feel too good. Patrick. Okay. Now let's see. I just gotta get ready for one.
Okay. You are gonna decide who wins. A burp's coming out.
Yes! I win. I'm nice. That's not too good.
Go to the bathroom. I don't need to poop.
Okay, that wasn't real. Oh, just one. I like the first burp I just made on one. Yeah, so yeah, I won. Because I'm just like,
how do you know? I never belched yet.
Yeah, you did. You're just like, blah. And then we're like,
I thought we had turns.
okay, whatever. I won. Peace out.